Hambantota is situated in South Shrilanka and is on the main shipping route between Asia and Europe. Although it is the second largest port on the island after Colombo, it now has the advantage of offering ship repair work and refuelling, as well as container transportation from its multi-purpose terminals. It will occupy a staggering area of 4,000 acres once complete, making it the biggest port in South Asia and possibly the largest to have been built since the millennium. In 2002, a proposal to develop Hambantota into a services and industrial port was unveiled. Civil engineers were called upon to provide their service. Work began in 2008 and consisted of 3 phases. Phase 1. Facilities for refuelling, 4 ship berths and 2 breakwaters to protect the port were constructed. This was finished in 2010, 5 months ahead of schedule. Phase 2. A larger basin and deep water quays. This is the current phase that began back in November 2012. Phase 3. Shipbuilding and repair facilities, which is set to be completed in 2023. As well as being able to berth 33 ships upon completion, the development will have provided indirect employment for around 50,000 people. One of the main problems the engineers faced was having to dispose of the excavated material. A project of this size produces a lot of waste and this must go somewhere. To combat this, an artificial island harbour entrance was built. This has not only solved the problem of the waste material but also adds an additional asset to the project, which if built from new material would have cost a substantial amount of money. An artificial island has also been constructed with this waste material, which has been kept within the port development area. This is an approximate area of 43 hectares. That's a lot of waste. Hambantota is the most rapidly developing region in Sri Lanka and the region contributes 11% of the country's GDP. The development in the area will release the population pressure of the surrounding highly dense district in the southwest of Sri Lanka. The construction of this port not only offers huge employment opportunities to skilled workers, but also semi and unskilled workers will also be able to gain employment. Whether this involvement is in the construction of the port, the supply chain, or employment at the port upon completion, it really does put Hambantota on the map. Being a civil engineer has allowed me to appreciate the time, effort and integrity required by engineers to allow us to carry out day-to-day tasks we probably take for granted, such as the use of disposal systems, travelling to work by road or rail, and filling supermarkets of global foods. It opens your eyes to the world and your surroundings, including what is going on underground, above ground, in the oceans and the air, plus the huge amount of maintenance required to keep our world running. I recommend civil engineering as a career because it is a very rewarding industry which has a positive impact on people's lifestyles and livelihoods. The results of our work have a physical end product which will stand for many years to come.